Hello, my name is Jonathan. I recently got my part-time job at electric equipment industry. I work in the maintenance department. My job is to check the machines, help with electrical installation, and make sure everything works properly. I usually work from Monday to Friday, from to 7 in the afternoon, get about $12 per hour. And I like this how because in learning a lot about electricity and how industrial systems work. Hi, thank you really interesting. I work part-time in a brokerage downs. I help customs, feedbacks, organizing the service on submitting works of and cash register and work from that in the morning to there in the afternoon. For the work my salary is around dollars per hour, enjoying how because slow reading and talking to problem. That is nice. What do you like the words about working there? I think this is the beautiful atmosphere and the smith of neighbors. What about you, Jonathan? What do you go post about how you work? I enjoy wheels, electrical problem in usual different tools in June get learn from the engineer they have as much experience. Do you work alone or with team? Usually I work with and that we had it after loud and you do you work alone? Sure, and you can come to the bookstore. I recommend a great book about electricity. That that it sounds perfect. Thank you.